Another fine vehicle offered by Jim Keim Ford.
This is a brand new 2013 Ford Fiesta, driving a statement. This compact has an automatic transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. Its top features include traction control and stability control systems, commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, heated side view mirrors, a rear spoiler, a passenger side vanity mirror, a security system, a passenger side airbag, rear seat child-proof door locks, a keyless entry system, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Jim Keim Ford is located at 5575 Keim Circle in Columbus. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.